Hi, here is a quick demo of solid performance tour and travel lead management software. With the help of this lead management system, you can manage all your leads, prospects, bookings, as well as the travelers who are included in the booking. You can also manage your finances, that includes income and expenses. You can manage your employees' timesheet or attendance, and we have provided you with the option to create your custom report. Along with it, we have also provided you lots of other default reports, and you can add users, and for all of your users you can assign various user roles. You can create these user roles with restricted permissions. From the dashboard, you will get a complete overview about your business. This includes whatever the leads which was received today, whatever the fresh leads and all those things, what is the target defined for your team member, and what is the achievement of the overall target, and what is the payment received for this month versus last month graph, and the deal pipeline for the next 1 year. This deal pipeline is really essential for tour and travel business, because most of the leads whatever we are receiving, they might not be willing to travel immediately, but they'll be planning for the future, like next month or after 2 months. So that is the main purpose. We have provided you with the pipeline for the next 1 year. This will help you in understanding your estimated business for the upcoming months. Moving on to the lead module, all the leads from all your lead sources will be displayed over here. You can add a lead manually, you can do bulk upload of leads, or you can integrate with all your lead sources like Facebook, social media platforms, your website, landing pages, and any other lead aggregators. All the leads will land on the CRM directly, either using API or through direct integrations. Let me show you how to add a lead. If you click on add new, you can add all the lead details over here. All the fields which are available here are completely customizable as per your business requirement. Though we have given the default details, you can customize and modify these fields as per your business need. You can also modify the stage and status of this particular lead. So whatever you are changing it over here will be displayed everywhere, even for your team members. Once a lead is added, the lead will be displayed over here, and you can perform follow-up with the lead. So in order to do a follow-up, you can just click on this follow-up button. For example, you have received a lead named Saran and you are calling and speaking with him. So now he is asking to give a call after 2 days, and he is telling that I'm interested. Now what you can do is you can add the next after 2 days follow-up. Now in case after 2 days, if it is Sunday and you are not working, you can put the Monday follow-up. And in case if you want the follow-up date and time, you can also schedule the time also. And what is the current stage? So in case if that person is asking for a proposal or whatever it is, you can change it. Now again, as I told, these are just the default stages. You can customize and modify all these stages as per your exact business flow in the settings. So I'm just changing it into proposal, and status is spoke, and I'm writing a comment here saying that spoke with him, need package for 3 days, we'll share it. So I'm updating the status. So now what will happen is, once a follow-up is added, on that particular day of the follow-up, we'll be getting a notification reminder here saying that you are having so many lead follow-ups for the day. And when you click on view and go to follow-ups on that particular day, you will be able to see what is the previous update that you have done. And not just that, you will also be able to see all the previous history of updates. For example, if you have updated this lead 10 to 20 times in the past, the entire history of follow-ups will be available over here. And if you go to view 360-degree details, in here you can also be able to upload related files of this particular lead. This includes visa documents or passport documents or whatever related documents that you want. Everything can be uploaded over here. In the notes section, you can also add additional notes, and in the history and logs, the previous updates, communication, whatever you have done will be available over here. In case if you want to perform bulk upload of a lead, you can click on bulk upload and download the sample format, fill the data and upload it. This will be primarily useful in case if you want to upload all your existing leads in one click. It is very simple for you to upload all the data from Excel or any other sources. Once a lead is added to the system, in case of automation, for example, if a lead is received from a Facebook campaign, and these leads can be automatically assigned to a particular executive. But in case if you are adding the leads manually, or if you are doing a bulk upload, you can select all these leads, whichever lead you want to assign to somebody else, and you can do a bulk reassigning of the leads. This will be really useful in case if a particular employee is not working with you and you want to reallocate all the leads to somebody else. You can simply filter those leads of that particular executive, and then you can reassign those leads. So as of now, I have covered how to add a lead, how to add follow-up for a lead, how to see all the follow-ups, how to upload files, and how to reassign all the leads to your sales team members. Now let me show you how you can do additional automations that will keep your lead engaged. In order to go to automations, go to settings, and over here automation will be there. In here we have provided with email, WhatsApp as well as SMS automations. So the settings for all these remains the same. So let me show you how these automations will work in email so that you will get an idea how you can do it for others. So in here you can specify any trigger name. For example, you are adding welcome one. So when you want to send this trigger, so whenever a lead is created, then send a immediate mail to a lead and there is no delay. That is immediately you send it. And you can write the subject like welcome to Solid Travel. So whatever is your subject, you want to subject add it, you can add it. And in the trigger message, you can also use short codes. For example, if a person named Sam is making an inquiry and you want to send a mail like, hi Sam, we have received your inquiry. So what you can do is you can type hi, and over here in the name, you can add the name short code. So the name will be captured. So like this, you can compose all your mail. And in case if you have any brochure or something you want to attach it, that also you can do it, and you can create the trigger. So now what will happen is whenever a new lead is created, this welcome email will be sent. So this is the first one. Now you can also do multiple additional follow-up triggers. That is the primary advantage of using Solid Performance over any other simple lead management system. So you can do a delay like, so I'm just adding welcome to, and now again I'm doing the same function like whenever a lead is created, send a mail to a lead, but not immediately, after 1 day. And I can put a different subject like, our achievements, our testimonials. Like this, you can add all your contents with various emails in a sequence, and mainly with the help of ChatGPT, you can immediately create 10 to 20 triggers, also automated triggers like this, and you can schedule it so that whenever a lead is received, they'll be getting the mail. In a similar way, you can also send a mail to a executive. That is, whenever a lead is created, send a mail to a lead and don't delay it, send it immediately. Maybe like you have to send a mail like a new lead is allocated, check it out like that. Now in this way, you can do lots of automation, and not just that, you can create automation based on various operations. So these operations include created, whether it is updated or deleted, and other options. For example, if I'm changing the operation from created to updated, then I can define the setting like whenever a lead is updated, then you do this trigger. Like that also I can schedule with various operations. So whenever a lead is allocated, the automation will be sent, and it can also be sent based on various stages and status and other functions as well. So we have got a detailed video about the automations also, and once you start exploring or start using, you can be able to do that. Now in case if you want to use WhatsApp automation, then you have to subscribe for WhatsApp API providers, and if you want to use SMS, similar way you can subscribe to any of your SMS providers in your country, and you can get it integrated with the system. Now once a lead is added, you can convert this lead into a prospect. As we taken as the previous example, now this Saran is showing interest and he want to take it forward, or he is really interested but he is asking to follow up after 15-20 days. Then what you can do is you can convert this lead into a prospect. So you can convert a lead into a prospect or booking. Now when you convert a lead into a prospect or booking, all the data in the prospect or booking module will get transferred to the next module, and there is no need for you to add the data again manually. And in the prospect, you will be having an option to manage based on deal value, expected closure date, and what is the probability of closure. Now based on these data is what your dashboard pipeline is getting generated. So in case if you are expecting some closure to happen next month, then based on that it will be displayed over here, and you can also filter based on expected closure date. For example, if you are expecting some closures to happen in this month, and or if you want to know what is the expected closure for this entire week, you can perform a filter and filter out the data easily. Apart from that, all the other functions which are available in lead module is available in prospect module as well. And in a similar way, you can convert a prospect into a booking also. So we have given the option for converting a prospect into a booking in one click. Under the bookings, whenever a booking has happened, so in case if Mr. Nagaraj is the primary person of this particular family, and under them if 3 or 4 members are traveling, then you can add more passengers or more travelers over here. So when you add the traveler, all the traveler details will be visible over here. So in case if you want to manage their documents separately, you can manage everything in the traveler section, and whatever the payments you are receiving from them, you can add it in income module, and you can also select from which customer you have received in here. We have also provided you with the option to segregate this by category and other details. And as I told in the beginning, in the reports we have provided you with lots of default reports. Apart from that, you can also add new custom report as per your need. Under the users module, you can add a user role and you can allocate this user role to a particular user. The account whatever I'm showing is an admin account, and so all the fields are available. In case if you want to have a restricted access for your telecallers or managers or sales executives, you can have a restricted access so that they can be able to perform only that action, and they can also be able to perform and use only those modules and nothing else. I hope by now you got a complete clarity on solid performance tour and travel lead management software. Make sure to get started with this software and use it for your business, and I can assure you that it will easily help you to monitor and manage each and every data about your business in a smooth and easy manner. And with the help of automations, you can also aim for additional automated closure without doing any additional investment for marketing or sales. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and follow us back for more useful video information updates like this. Thank you.